how to withdraw money from MetaMask to your Revolut account. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Let's see how we can do it. For this, just simply open up your Revolut account, and after that open up the crypto section on your Revolut app. Then you would be able to find the option of receive. Simply select on that particular option and select any particular crypto that you are looking to get in your Revolut account. When you click on that particular crypto, you would be getting an address of that particular crypto. Simply open up MetaMask and then choose that particular crypto on your MetaMask as well, and make sure the network is same as on the Revolut. After that, click on this option of send. After that, you need to paste the address that we just got from Revolut, and this way you would be able to send the crypto from your MetaMask to Revolut quite easily. And this is how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.